Good day children, this is Sangeeta, your craft teacher. So today I will be teaching you paper flowers. So for that you will be needing some cardstock papers. Here I had taken a big square, then little smaller and then little smaller. Here I had taken three colors, red, dark orange and light orange. So after taking the papers, you have to draw the stem of the flower. So I am just drawing with this and two lines over here, right? Now after that I will be showing you how we will make the flowers with this. So first I had taken a larger one. I am folding in a half, that is a rectangle, right? Again I will be folding in a square. Now I will be folding in a triangle. So let me tell you one more thing, how you are folding it, so how it will be easy for you. So before folding, I will be telling you that you have to draw the circle over here. So this is your center part. Now when you are folding it, you can see the pencil marks over here. So it will be easy for you to fold it. See, this mark is here, right? Now after folding in a triangle, we got this line over here, right? Now again I will be folding in a same way. So this line is here itself, right? Now I'll just draw the leaf shape there, or without drawing you can just give a cut over here, V in V shape. So when you will open this, easily you will be able to see the flowers. See how many petals, see? Wow, it looks so lovely. So your circle is here, you can see this, right? Now same way I will be making with this two also. I'll show you one more time. You have to take a square paper, fold it in a half, fold it in a half again in a square. Now fold it in a triangle and then again fold it in a triangle, and then just give the cut over here, or you can draw it and then just cut this V shape. And if you are not able to do that, please ask your parents, okay? They will help you. So after cutting, you can see it, right? When I will open it, you can see the flower. What a lovely flower. Wow. See, it looks so beautiful. So after cutting all three flowers, I will be applying glue here. And I will be sticking the first bigger flower over here. Press it. Then I will be applying glue here. And then I will be sticking the second one. Again I will apply glue and I will be sticking the third one. Press it, and then we will be sticking the center for this one. So here I had taken this glitter foam sheet circles and I will be sticking here one glitter foam sheet over here. Now after that we have to make leaves, right? So for that I had taken the green paper. I have already made two leaves over here. So I will be sticking leaves here. And after that you can just draw the lines on the leaf, so it will look original leaf, right? Same way you can do it on the flower also. You can just draw the strokes. That's it, done. So your paper flower is ready. Thank you so much everyone.